the man who didn't sleep for 11 days. On a cold winter morning in America, a man named Randy Gardner made a decision that sounded impossible. He wasn't trying to break into a bank. He wasn't climbing a mountain. He wanted to see how long a human could stay awake. What happened next shocked the world. The challenge. In 1964, 17-year-old Randy Gardner from California accepted a challenge for a school science project. His goal? Stay awake for as long as possible. 1 day passed, then 2, then 3. At first, he felt fine. He laughed with friends, played games, and talked normally. But then, things started changing. The first signs. By day 4, Randy's eyes burned. His body felt heavy. Simple math problems became difficult. He forgot basic things. The world around him started feeling strange. But he refused to sleep. The experiment continued. Reality begins to break. By day 7, something terrifying happened. Randy began seeing things that weren't there. Shadows moved across walls. Objects seemed alive. At times, he couldn't tell what was real and what was imagined. His brain was desperately begging for sleep, but he kept pushing forward. The impossible record. Day 8. Day 9. Day 10. Doctors monitored him closely. The entire country became fascinated by the teenager who simply wouldn't sleep. Finally, after 11 days and 25 minutes, Randy stopped. He had been awake for 264 hours, a world record. But the cost was frightening. His speech was slurred. His memory was damaged. His concentration had nearly disappeared. The final test. Many people expected Randy to collapse or suffer permanent brain damage. Doctors rushed him to a sleep laboratory. Everyone waited nervously. Would he survive? Would he wake up again? Randy finally closed his eyes. For the first time in 11 days, the room fell silent. Hours later, Randy woke up. Amazingly, most of his abilities returned after proper sleep. But his experiment revealed a terrifying truth. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a biological necessity. Without it, the human mind slowly begins to unravel. And Randy Gardner became the man who showed the world exactly what happens when sleep disappears.